Hi guys, my name's Dion Durr from Pinky's Eye Indoors, and you're probably wondering why I'm standing so close to this beautiful door. Absolute favorite door next to the Air 5. This is the reason why we come to work, as in I come to work. This is the guy right here. That's why I'm standing so close next to it. Absolutely love this door. I have it throughout my whole house. We've done a lot of Pinky's concept houses with this. First one we did was with Air 5, second one we did was with all Air 4s, and the third one you'll see. You can find the third proof of concept Pinky's house that we're doing on Instagram, and it's called Casa de, as in DE Pinky's. So Casa de Pinky's concept house that we're doing. That one's gonna have a mixture of Air 4s and Air 5s and a San Francisco door. So we're trying to show you how you can mix and blend all these different designs and how it comes together. It'll be kind of cool. Just watch it on Instagram. You'll see the stories and stuff. Air 4. This is an Air 4 single flat top 42 outside to outside by 96 from the bottom of the threshold to the top of the frame. This is a true divide door, which means it's 3 pieces of glass cut and put in here. This is a T-bar. It's shaped like that. Piece of glass sits there, piece of glass sits there, and I'll show you guys what holds the glass in on the other side once I'm done. Amazing door. Bore holes on this, guys. Bore holes change with the height of the door. We have to move them around because of code. So just keep an eye out on that when you're ordering this door. Know that if you have different height doors have different bore hole positionings, okay? Amazing door, steel door. Compared to an aluminum door, aluminum has a 4 to 6 inch border because it needs that much material to hold the weight of the glass, where with steel we have an inch. So it's unreal. You get a lot more glass. You have 5/8 thick glass, dual pane, low E. I mean, it's, I think, the sexiest thing ever. Love it. I'm gonna flip this around and show you guys the back end of this. All right, guys, we're on the back side of the Air 4. Dylan will do some close-ups of the push feet that we use to actually hold the glass in. This is 1 inch. Forgot to tell you guys that. The T-bars that we use are 1 inch. The push bar is a little bit smaller, but we have to make it as big as where the silicone line is. Again, 3 pieces of glass, guys, very important on aluminum products. Majority of them have a stuck-on piece that goes on the glass, and it's 1 piece of glass. So when you start cleaning, all that Windex goes through the stuck-on piece and sucks. It's not the real thing. It's just trying to be this. Trying to be there for is what I say. Again, look how small the borders are. Compare this to any aluminum door and you'll know what I'm talking about. It's all foam filled. Amazing. I mean, I just, there's nothing else you can buy for the price of this door for this amazing look. Like, I'm blown away. The Air 4s and Air 5s, me and my brother started. These are the 2 things that we started designing. All the scroll work and all those things, the one with the operable windows, are all my dad's old designs that we recreated and started mass producing. But me and my brother created this Air 4 and Air 5 is where our love went into it. But this product came along when I was trying to build my house. Found out how expensive these things are, and that's how that whole project got started about 4 years ago. And then we finally perfected it probably about a couple months ago. And this is the final product. It's unreal, it's amazing. But hope you guys enjoyed this showcase, and if you have any questions, give us a call. 844-843-6677, or you can email us at info@pinkiesirondoors.com. Thank you.